Morning, children. So today I am going to discuss about the circle cities. See, as and when if you are playing on the your school premises ground, so especially in the game, the musical chair or some other game cities, you are making the one circle. You are standing on a circle. It is circle shape of the standing the pattern it is. So therefore, so the in this class, so what is meant by the circle and their important the terms like radius or diameter and chord, and so these are the different parts of the circle it is. So therefore, so the first of all, the definition of the circle it is. See, circle like this. So from the fixed point, it is at the center of the circle. That is for our convenience, it is called as O. So this is a circle. So the definition of the circle is like this: the locus of the point, this point, moving on this plane. The locus of the point moving on this plane with a constant distance from its fixed point. It is called as circle. Once again I repeat, say locus of the point moving on this plane, so the with a constant distance from the fixed point, it is called circle. So therefore, so the this is the orange color of the lines, it is in curved lines, we call it the circumference. This is orange color, the line we call it as circumference. It is denoted by C. So therefore, here the total length of the curved path, it is we call it as circumference. It is denoted by C. Therefore, C is equal to 2 pi r it is. So the 2 pi r. So therefore, the next concept is the radius. See here, now I would like to draw the one line segment from the fixed center of the circle to any point on circumference of the circle. We call it as, for our convenience, it is A. So therefore, OA is the line segment joining between center of the circle and any point on the circumference of the circle. We call it as radius. It is denoted by R it is. So therefore, the next concept is diameter. Here, once again, I would like to draw the one line segment. It is from, this is called it is a B point. This is another point. It is called C point. If we join BC through the center of the circle O, then this is the line segment. We call it as diameter. Diameter can be defined as the line segment joining between any 2 points on circumference of the circle through the center of the circle. So therefore, this is called as diameter. So this diameter is represented by D. So therefore, D is, so as and when if you measure the length of this diameter, it is in the two parts. It is, one is OB, another one is OC. These are the OB is the radius and OC is also radius. Therefore, the total diameter is equal to sum of these radii. So therefore, it is 2r. Next, chord it is. So chord, so let us see. Now I would like to draw this one. This is called point X. This is called point Y it is. So this is one of the line segment. It is joining between any 2 points on circumference of the circle, but it do not passes through the center of the circle. Hence, the line segment XY we call it as chord. Therefore, so the sometimes not only sometimes, so the diameter is always one of the chord also, but chord is not a diameter. The very simple thing it is, chord is not a diameter, but diameter is also one of the biggest chord we consider as. So therefore, the next concept it is arc. So here the circle, if you cut the little bit length of this curved path it may be a little length or it may be any type, whatever you want. So that part. So therefore, the arc can be defined as, arc is a part of the circle. So here the AB is the one part. If I consider, this is an arc it is, and similarly AC is also another part of the circle. We are also called, this is also arc. Along with that, CY and XY and BX, these are the different part of the circle. These are on the circumference. Therefore, the part of the circle we call it as arc it is. So the after this thing is segment. See, the segment is an area see in this figure here two different parts is there. One is shaded part, another one is non-shaded part it is. Here the segment can be defined as the area. So this area, shaded area, is also called as a segment, and so this unshaded part, so this is also called as segment. Here the two types of the segments are there. One is major segment, another one is minor segment. So therefore the segment, the general definition of the segment is the area is bounded in between chord and arc. So it is called as segment. So here the two types of segments, as already told that. So one is major segment, another one is minor segment. Here the definition of the major segment and minor segment is like this. See, so this is an arc BYA. This is a one arc. It is called it as minor arc. Here major arc. Now I would like to call this is a Z. This name is Z it is. This name is Y it is. See, so the major segment can be defined as the area is bounded by chord and major arc it is. The area is bounded by chord and major arc. So therefore this the unshaded part we call it as major segment of the circle. Similarly, so the one more part is there. So the here shaded part we call it as minor segment, because of, so this area is bounded by the chord along with that minor arc it is BYA or AYB. This is an we considered as minor arc. So therefore this area is minor segment. So this area is major segment. So after this, so the one more important term it is sector. Now I would like to show it. So this is an OX. Along with that one more the name it is OP. So this is see, observing this one, this part it is. Here the total area is bounded by the arc along with two radii. So once again I repeat, the sector can be defined as the area is bounded by arc along with that 2 radii. Here radii is the plural form of the radius. So be careful about this word terminology. So therefore here OX and OP we call it as radii of the circle. Therefore the area in between the 2 radii and the one part of the circle, that is called an arc it is. So therefore this part we call it as sector. Here also the sector can be divided into 2 types. One is major sector, another one is minor sector. One is major sector, another one is minor sector. Another one is minor sector. So these are the types of the sector it is. Here now already they explained that the area POX we call it as a sector. Now the types of the sector can be defined by this is the minor sector. So remaining whole part we call it as major sector. See, let us see how the OP and OX, these are the radii of this circle. PX is the part of the circle. Therefore this is a small area is covered by these 3 parts. One radius OX, another radius OP, and one part an arc of the circle, that is PX. Therefore it is called as minor sector. The remaining part it is the same the radii. OP is the one radius, OX is the other radius. So from P, Z, A, X, B, X. So this is in the remaining part it is the major arc. So therefore, this whole part we call it as major sector. Once again repeat, the area is bounded by major arc and 2 radii of the circle. So therefore this whole part we call it as the major sector. So therefore here important one more concept, it is area of the circle. This is called as area of the circle. See, the whole part of this thing inside of the circumference, the measurement of the whole part of the area that should be inside of the circumference of the circle, we call it as area. This area is denoted by, that is in A. Therefore it can be measured by using the equation, it is pi r square, that is equal to dash square units. Unit may be, so because of here r square means radius is multiplied by 2 times. So therefore radius, it may be any unit, it may be a centimeter or meter or anything. So that you have to multiply 2 times it is. Therefore it is a square unit, square units. If the given radius, if it is in the terms of the centimeter, then the total result you have to represent the square centimeter. Likewise, if the given radius, if it is in terms of the meter, so its total area it is in terms of square meter. So this is the things, and the circumference is given by 2 pi r. The radius is equal to r it is, and radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter is divided by 2 it is, because of, let us see, 2 parts of the radius. Here OB and OC, the sum of these 2 measurements, it is makes together diameter. Therefore 2r. This is an r. So the addition of these 2 r's, so together makes it is an r. It become a diameter it is. So they are called arc, circumference, and segments. The types of the segments: major segment and minor segment, sector, major sector and minor sector, and finally area of the circle. So these are the important and basic terms So the today class we discussed that. If you have the any doubts regarding this discussion, so the come and ask it.